Cremation refers to the process where fire is used for the disposal of the deceased to basic chemical compounds such as ashes. A cremation takes place in a crematorium that usually holds one or more cremators. These cremators generate high temperatures to ensure disintegration of the deceased. A crematorium may also have a chapel and be part of a cemetery. Crematorium operators are the people who prepare and perform the cremation process. Prior to the actual cremation, they may help to prepare the chapel or place where the cremation is taking place. In some instances, they are requested to assist placing the casket in the chapel prior to the service. When it is time for the cremation, operators put on their protective clothing in accordance with health and safety regulations. A very important task is to check if the name of the deceased on the casket corresponds with the name on the documents. When they are certain everything is in order, they slide the casket into the cremator. Modern cremators have adjustable control systems, and crematorium operators operate them during the cremation process. During the cremation, they open the cremator to ensure that it works properly. After the body has been cremated, they take the residue out of the cremator and separate the remains from the residue. The remains are then loaded into a grounder. The cremated remains, which now have a powder or ash substance, are placed in temporary containers or urns provided by family members. Identification tags or labels are then attached to the containers. One of the most important tasks of the crematorium operators is to clean the cremator thoroughly before the next cremation can take place. They also have to sweep and wash the floors of the crematorium. Their duties further include the keeping of records and making sure that the records are accurate and up to date. It is very important that they strictly follow legislation and regulations such as the Health and Safety Act, the Cremation Ordinance, and municipal bylaws. Some of them are also expected to assist with the maintenance of buildings, lawns, gardens, and chapels. Crematorium operators should be sympathetic and respectful as they work with the deceased and their bereaved families and friends.